We looked at what are the principles of net zero neighborhoods, and we had 10 principles. And then we looked at 10 case studies. And I think for me, that was really powerful because it shows people sort of how to do it, where it's been done before, and then what are the outcomes as well. So we looked at things like capturing waste heat from sewers or from data centers. We looked at where a community in Barnsley had got a retail bond to fund solar and batteries on all their houses in the neighborhood. And we looked at retrofit at scale and those types of things with clear metrics around how the investment worked, which is often blended finance, public and private, and then what the outcomes were, the reduction in energy usage, the social impact. And then we kind of started to put that report in front of all the developers and in front of the mayor's team, and people start to have more confidence then that these things can be done because they've been done elsewhere. They can go and look at them and speak to them. And
yeah, my takeaway from the success of that report was, I think you're right. You put your sort of finger on it there. The social proofs that we put within that report, what didn't work and what worked and the metrics around it, that was what gave it its power for sure.
Definitely.